Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to adjust an overly wobbly tumbler. If you recently replaced your tumbler, you might notice a wobbling back and forth of the tumbler donuts. This is a result of the tumbler not sitting properly in the pulley grooves. Turn on and off the tumbler to see at which point the tumbler slides off the grooves. With a soft face hammer, gently tap on the tumbler donut to adjust it inside of the grooves. You might have to adjust the tumbler on each side back and forth. Here is a comparison between an overly wobbly tumbler and a normal wobble. Remember that all of our tumblers are hand rolled and welded, and a slight wobble is expected.